It's Mr. Will with Loog Nation, where future guitarists start, and today we're working on the Clash's Should I Stay or Should I Go? It's such a fun song to play on the Loog and learn as a beginner student, so if you're new to playing anything as a song as compared to just lessons, listen up because this song is going to be easy and fast to learn. Ready? Let's get into it. Okay, to play Should I Stay or Should I Go? We need 4 chords. 4 chords. Okay. They are A, second finger, top string, third string, third finger, middle string, second string, both on the 2nd fret. A. We need a D. That D is my first finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. My 3rd finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and my 2nd finger is on the 1st string, 2nd fret. The next chord is a C. Now that's easy to play, and you've learned it before if you've done lessons with me before. A C is just our first finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. And your 4th chord today is an E major, or E. That's our first finger on the 3rd string, 1st fret. E. Great. So those are your 4 chords. Let's get into the cadence, or the chord progression. Here's your strumming. We're gonna strum all down strums in this song. I know when you saw me at the beginning of the video, I was probably messing around, playing a lot of different strumming. I was just having fun with the song, but you can play this song with just down strums. In fact, that's how we open the verse. The verse starts with 3 A's. A. To a D. 4 times, back to 1A, and we stop the sound. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. All right, so that pattern, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, is going to happen with all the chords that we use in this verse. Notice that we're only playing 3 notes the very first chord. The reason is that there's missing the very first downbeat. You'll feel that downbeat, but we won't play it. 2, 3, 4. And then we count to 4. After we play that 1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. I just want to make that really clear, especially as a music teacher, that we do not play on the downbeat. We're playing and using rock 8th notes. On the recording, there's this really cool sound that happens where they make a muted flicking sound on the strings. Let's learn how to do that. Maybe you've made that sound before by accident when trying to play a chord, but all we're doing is laying our fingers on the strings. I'm not trying to press. I'm not trying to make a chord. I'm just muting or laying my fingers on the strings. And then I'm taking my pick or my thumb to rake through the strings. So it's like a really slow strum, a rake. That's the sound. So the opening goes A, D, A. Then we do it again. A, D, A. So that cool little riff there is our first finger on the first string, 5th fret. And then I'm gonna smash my pinky down, or I'm gonna hammer on to the 8th fret of the first string. So I'm picking once. Ooh, let me try that again. Picking once, and then I'm hammering on. Now that's pretty tricky, and actually I'm gonna have a lesson about that much later in our progress. We can cheat just a little bit by playing it twice. That's a down up, real fast. But if maybe even if you just get a little bit of sound out of it, that sounds a lot like the recording too. Give it a shot, have fun with that. So we have now after that we're gonna change to a D. C, D. Did you catch that? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Yeah, you get the idea. Then we're gonna go back to the A-D combo. A. Now this last time, we're gonna play an E all the way through the strumming. E, E, and then finish with one more. I have to say, you could stop right there and you've learned the song. Cool, see you next time. But if you want to learn how to play the chorus, let's get into the chorus using our rock 8th notes and playing steadily. So instead of playing 3, I'm playing 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Instead of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... We're going to go through the entire thing. I'm going to count. You can watch the chord changes. I'm going to play a little slow for the chorus. And at the end, I'm going to play the whole thing together, and you can put it together, both verse and chorus, with me. Okay? Here we go. A, 1 and 2 and D and 4 and A and 2 and 3 and 4 and A and 2, D and 4 and A and 2 and 3 and 4 and D and 2 and C and 2, D and 3 and 4 and A, 2 and D, A and 2 and 3 and 4 and E and 2 and 3 and 4 and then they immediately pivot back into the verse strumming. Okay, so there's your verse and your chorus broken down. We know the cadence, we know the chords, we know the strumming. Let's put it all together. Well, that was pretty fun to do. How are you doing? Make sure to save this video and come back to it. Watch it again. Learn the song with me. Learn it on your Loog. Loog Nation is here every Thursday, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because I'm going to be working on more songs just like the Clash's Should I Stay or Should I Go? Speaking of which, do you have a favorite song that you want to learn on the Loog? Or maybe you're a parent and you have a favorite song you want to learn on the Loog. Either way, I want you to leave your favorite song in the comments below, and I'm going to start to make lessons for you so everyone in the whole family can play the Loog and learn their favorite songs. I've got my favorites, and I'll be sharing them with you. I'd love to be able to help you learn your favorite songs too. Okay, I'm Mr. Will. I'll see you next time.